Demystifying Facebook Marketplace, a complete guide. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Facebook Marketplace, your one-stop destination for buying and selling within your local community. If you've ever wondered how it all works, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is Facebook Marketplace? Well, it's a convenient platform within the Facebook app where users can discover, buy, and sell items to people in their local area. It's like a virtual garage sale right at your fingertips. To access Facebook Marketplace, simply open the Facebook app on your smartphone and tap on the Marketplace icon at the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll find a wide range of categories, including clothing, electronics, home goods, and even vehicles. Once you're in the marketplace, you can browse through listings based on your location, or search for specific items using the search bar at the top of the screen. You can also filter your search by price, category, and other criteria to find exactly what you're looking for. Found something you like? Great! Simply click on the listing to view more details such as the item description, photos, and the seller's profile. If you're interested in purchasing the item, you can send a message to the seller directly through Facebook Messenger to arrange the details. Now, let's talk about selling on Facebook Marketplace. If you have items that you no longer need, you can easily list them for sale. Just click on the Sell Something button, choose a category, add photos and a description, set the price, and voila! Your item is now live and visible to potential buyers in your area. Of course, while Facebook Marketplace is a convenient way to buy and sell locally, it's important to prioritize safety. Always meet in a public place when completing a transaction, and consider bringing a friend along if possible. Trust your instincts, and if something feels off, don't hesitate to walk away. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to navigating Facebook Marketplace like a pro. Whether you're looking to declutter your home or snag a great deal, Facebook Marketplace has something for everyone. Thanks for watching, and happy buying and selling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care.